Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Fundbox Insights with your POS system. Integrating Fundbox Insights with your POS system helps you to align financing with real-time sales, manage inventory cycles more efficiently, and of course plan repayments around revenue patterns. Now, although Fundbox doesn't directly integrate with most POS systems, you can still bridge the gap between the two through indirect connections and data syncing. Let me show you two methods on how to get this done. The first is to synchronize both Fundbox and POS to accounting software. This is the easiest method you can use. So you can use shared accounting platforms like QuickBooks Online, Xero, and FreshBooks. And exactly how you're going to do that is to connect Fundbox to your accounting software, for instance, QuickBooks, and then you're going to connect your POS system to the same platform, that's QuickBooks as well. And now both sales data and financing data will both live in one place. And from there, you can compare draws to daily or weekly revenues, align repayments with high sales periods, and of course to track funds usage efficiency per product category. Now, the second method is to use exported reports to analyze manually. So if you don't use accounting softwares, you can use manual export. First, you can export Fundbox transactions to Excel, and then you're going to export sales report from your POS system, usually in a CSV file format. Now, open both in Excel or Google Sheet, and you're going to create a timeline that overlays Fundbox draws with revenue spikes. Now, this allows you to spot cash flow gaps, also to justify future draws based on sales dip, likewise to time draws better to avoid repayment stress. And that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.